2 fun and exciting ways to use QR codes to market your small business. If QR codes are going to gain more acceptance with consumers, small business owners need to create fun and exciting QR code marketing campaigns. Here are some tips to help you create a more entertaining campaign. 1. Create a treasure hunt campaign. This works when you have a certain time frame for a marketing campaign. By introducing an element of time scarcity, you can pique more interest into your campaign. You can then use QR codes in a treasure hunt whereby consumers have to find a certain number of codes across a particular geographical location, and whoever gets the most codes by a certain time receives a grand prize. Each time they scan a code, they get sent to a landing page where they log in their name and get more points. This works very well with holiday seasons. For example, you can have a 12 Days of Christmas treasure hunt leading to Christmas or a trick-or-treat treasure hunt for Halloween. 2. New releases. Nothing whets the consumer appetite like getting early bird access to a new product release. If you're opening a new branch of your business, you can use QR codes to promote coupons for the first 100 customers on your opening day. A bookstore can promote a highly anticipated bestseller using QR codes that give the scanner first priority on their buyer's list. In fact, this can be a great way to sell out inventory even before it has arrived in your store by accepting pre-orders through QR codes. This works just as well for new housing developments for real estate agents, blockbuster films for movie theaters, special artist appearances for theater and music concerts, etc. Any business that usually has a long line of customers at certain times and occasions can use this strategy.